界中の皆さんこんにちは Now it is time for ShoyuJapanLife. Okay, we're gonna try and make a blueberry ice cream with 3 ingredients. So we got blueberries in Japanese, blueberry, and then we have yogurt in Japanese, yoguruto, and then we have honey in Japanese, hachimitsu. So these are the 3 ingredients we will be using to make our ice cream. So let's get this going. What we're gonna do is we put it in the blender, and then we're just gonna mix it up and put it into a container to freeze overnight. So let's get our spoon ready. Get this open over here and put our yogurt in. Given last time I tried this, we used Greek yogurt for this, and so I don't know how this is going to work today because this is a regular yogurt, but let's try anyway. Okay, so we got our yogurt inside, and then we want to put about an equal amount of blueberries in there. So let's try to put in a lot of, well, you know how to get the same amount is put it right in here. There you go. So if I put it into this container, then it's the same amount, right? That all stuck to the bottom. Anyway, you can put a little bit more in there. Okay, so we got our blueberries inside. And then to sweeten it up a little bit, we put the honey. Okay, so put our honey inside. And we'll see how that goes. And now, time to blend it. Are we ready? Cover this thing up. Here we go, folks. Okay, now we're gonna blast it. Okay, I think this is ready. We have our container here. We're gonna pour it in and then leave it overnight and see what happens. So let's get this thing into our container and see what happens tomorrow. Okay. Oh wow, this fits just perfectly. Now if this turns into ice cream tomorrow, that'll be really good, because with the Greek yogurt it turned out perfect. But let's see how it goes with regular yogurt. Okay folks, time to put this in the freezer, and we'll be back to let you know how this turns out. Okay everyone, it's the next day, so let's check on this blueberry yogurt ice cream and see what it looks like. It just came right out of the freezer, so it's probably gonna be, I'm guessing, kind of hard. Okay, well, it looks really good. Let's see how the consistency. Well, it's solid as a rock. You know what, I'm gonna let this thaw out a little bit. Okay, my impatience is getting the best of me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scrape my spoon across the top here, put some of this in there. Okay, then because we want to make it a little bit sweeter, we're going to get the honey. So we'll add a little bit of honey onto this, just a little bit. Oh, there you go. Can you guys see the honey? Oh, now let's try it. じゃあみんなもう一回いただきます。Oh, that's it. That is the right sweetness right there. ちょうどいい甘さ. Just the right sweetness. Finished it up. ごちそうさまでした. Please give it a try. It was so simple. If you have a blender, put your yogurt in, the same amount of blueberries in, and then you add honey inside. I hear that you can add maple syrup as an alternative. And then here at the end, the sweetness wasn't enough, so we added a little bit more honey. Good healthy dessert, everyone. ごちそうさまでした。
皆さん Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends too. Thank you, oh yeah, ありがとうよろしくお願いします。
Oh, so delicioso and refreshing and healthy. やってみてください、皆さん。